So we went with a to-be-built home and got to customize a lot of the house, and it feels like us. And definitely when people have walked in, they've told us it's like our personality came through.
We loved getting to work in the design center and choose all of our features and the colors and just kind of how we wanted it to look. It was fun.
I think like any home purchase, it's going to be nerve-wracking, and it is nerve-wracking, but Tabor staff, everybody along the way made it super fun and easy, and we were always excited about the next step and whatever was coming next. We chose Woodland Park because of the Edmond School District and then the amenities of the neighborhood and just the trees. I mean, it's beautiful.
The location to the I-35, just being able to get to and from downtown, to and from our jobs really easily. And we loved the pools, we loved just the neighborhoods, our sidewalks. It's easy to just kind of feel like you're in a secure neighborhood.
And our oldest son would say that the pantry is his favorite because we can put so much food in there. Mine is probably the front porch.
I, of course, love the kitchen when you first come in, and this massive island, and just being able to see our family grow around it and entertain. We loved that. I've had a little experience with the warranty department so far, being quick to respond to our calls and getting the right people in quickly. So it's been a good experience for us so far, being able to work with them. The portal is really easy to use. We did a lot of research and looked at a lot of homes and a lot of different builders, and we kept coming back to Tabor, and we're really grateful that we did. We feel like they've taken care of us through the process.